क्रिसमस और न्यू ईयर के बीच में गोवा में काफ़ी टूरिस्ट का फुटफॉल होता है. गोवा पुलिस has successfully ensured the safety and security of all the tourists as well as the people in Goa during Christmas. Fully geared up है हमारा team to ensure a smooth tourist season this year as well. Local police, which means district police, traffic police, security team, special branch, crime, anti-narcotics, सारे यूनिट्स को कॉम्प्रहेंसिवली एक होलिस्टिक टीम बनाए जिसमें ट्रेनिंग यूनिट से भी और बाकी जीआरपी से भी लोगों को मिला के वी हैव मेड ए holistic and comprehensive security plan for entire Goa to ensure a safe and secure tourist season. काफी एक्टिविटीज इस टाइम होता है गोवा में. गोवा पुलिस has always ensured success of all these activities. इसी दौरान अभी हमारा कल गोवा में सनबर्न फेस्टिवल भी होने वाला है 28th, 29th और 30th. Sunburn में we have made elaborate arrangements. Local police का arrangement रहेगा to ensure safety and security of all the tourists as well as people who are in and around the venue. From the traffic point also, there has been a comprehensive plan to ensure smooth flow of traffic and to ensure that the civilians or other people do not face any hurdles. Sunburn के लिए हमने special arrangements बनाए to ensure that nobody is meddling into any unnecessary chemical or drug intake. We are deploying special teams consisting of crime branch, anti-narcotics, local police and forensic teams. डायरेक्टर फोरेंसिक लेबोरेटरी वर्मा मेरे साथ बैठा हुआ. इनके जो सीनियर एक्सपर्ट्स हैं ये लोग भी क्राइम ब्रांच के साथ, डीवाईएसपी क्राइम इज ऑल्सो हियर, क्राइम ब्रांच के साथ मिलके एक स्पेशल टीम बनाए. ये लोग सनबर्न के वेन्यू में और फ्रॉम आउटसाइड पेरिफेरी में, मोर ओवर इन द नियर बाय अंजुना एंड कलंगूट एरिया, दे विल बी डूइंग पेट्रोलिंग इन दैट एरिया. एंड रैंडमली अगर लग रहा है कि somebody is involved in drug peddling or even consuming drugs और ड्रग्स के इन्फ्लुएंस में लग रहा है कि मतलब वेन्यू में या आसपास के एरिया में घूम रहे हैं, इमीडिएटली दे विल बी पुट अंडर रिगरस टेस्टिंग. इसके लिए हमने स्पेशल डिवाइसेस भी हमने इस बार लिया है. वी हैव गॉट रामन स्पेक्ट्रोफोटोमीटर to check for items whether they are drugs. अगर कोई ड्रग पेडलर या कोई ड्रग्स वहां पे भेजना चाहते हैं और उनके हाथ में या फिर कुछ भी आइटम मिले, इमीडिएटली ये स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर में डालने से इमीडिएटली वो रिजल्ट आता है कि ये ड्रग्स है कि नहीं. देयर इज नो नीड टू सेंड इट टू द फॉरेंसिक लेबोरेटरी एंड वेट फॉर द रिपोर्ट. इमीडिएटली विल गेट द रिपोर्ट. वहां पे अगर कोई किसी को साथ अगर ड्रग्स के साथ या कुछ केमिकल के साथ मिला, इमीडिएटली वी विल यूज स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर एंड वी विल इमीडिएटली गेट द रिजल्ट एंड इमीडिएटली लीगल एक्शन, एफआईआर विल बी रजिस्टर्ड एंड स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन विल बी इनिशिएटेड. इवन एज पर द स्टैट्यूट, consumption of drugs is also an offense. We have got mobile rapid स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट सिस्टम. ये एक नया सिस्टम है मोबाइल है, कहीं भी लेके जा सकता है। क्राइम ब्रांच और फॉरेंसिक के टीम काफी जगह में हमने डिप्लॉय किया है। अगर किसी भी व्यक्ति या आदमी या औरत, अगर हमें पता चला, इंफॉर्मेशन मिला या फिर प्राइमा फेसी उनके बिहेवियर से लग रहा है कि एनीबडी इज इन अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ एनी नार्कोटिक सब्सटेंसेस, इमीडिएटली वी विल बी यूजिंग दिस डिवाइस। इस डिवाइसेस में क्या होता है कि द स्वैब ऑफ द person can be taken, and if the swab is inserted into this machine, within a time it will show whether they are under the influence of drugs or not. So these teams will be always present in almost the entire tourist belt, coastal belt में रहेगा, sunburn के venue में रहेगा, and there will be, to ensure law and order, we have deployed senior officers as well. We have deployed IPS officers, ASP रैंक IPS ऑफिसर्स जो नया गोवा पुलिस में ज्वाइन किए, उनको भी वहां पे डिप्लॉय किया है। They will be also present along with staff. We have made special arrangements. Regarding noise, as per the High Court directions, special sub teams have been deployed to ensure that all the rules are properly followed in the area.
If you were to issue an advisory to tourists coming to Goa, what would you advise them?
Goa is a place where there is serenity and safety. Please enjoy it. We are always there to save and protect. But everybody has to ensure that the rules and the law of the land are followed. अगर कोई follow नहीं करता है, तो we will ensure that strict legal action is initiated against the violators.
Sir, there will be several parties during this new year, except EDM. It will close at 10. But what about other party? How will it be posted?
There are rules which says कितना टाइम तक वो चला सकते हैं। वो जो कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी उनको जो परमिशन देते हैं, उसमें स्पेशली मेंशन होता है कि कितने टाइम तक कहाँ पर पार्टी कर सकता है, पार्टी का एरिया डिफाइंड होता है। उसके अंदर, उस रूल के अंदर, उस परमिशन के अंदर सब लोगों को जो पार्टी है उनको, जो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स है, दे हैव टू फॉलो इट। इफ दे वायलेट दोज रूल्स एज पर द लॉ, व्हाट एवर एक्शन इज रिक्वायर्ड वी विल टेक।
सर, अभी एक टीम बनाया है सर, ये ओनली फॉर सनबर्न के लिए क्या, नहीं तो
नहीं, दिस इज स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द टूरिस्ट सीजन, एंटायर टूरिस्ट सीजन के लिए बनाया हुआ है। Since in Sunburn there will be more density of people in particular area, there will be more deployment in that area.
सर, ये इंडिया में पहली बार ये टेस्टिंग मशीन गोवा में स्टार्ट हो रहा है।
We are using in Goa for the second time. Last time Sunburn में भी हमने use किया। This machine has been used in multiple states as well.
Only tourism sector.
These machines are there basically to check the use of any chemicals by any person. Somebody is peddling in chemicals, and immediately we find somebody is having something which we suspect to be narcotics or any drugs. Immediately it will get the results.
So last time ये use किया था।
If anybody is under the influence of the drugs also, अगर या फिर कोई synthetic drugs, synthetic chemicals के यूज करते हो और उस टाइम में आया हुआ है, एंड दिस मोबाइल जो ड्रग डिटेक्शन मशीन है, उसमें यू विल बी एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई whether this person has consumed drugs, and if he's consumed drugs, what type of drugs he has consumed.
This is mobile rapid scanning system.
From mobile rapid screening test system. It is a small handheld system जिसमें there is a cartridge, वो saliva के swab लेके if we insert into that system, it will show you whether there has been any consumption of drugs.
And this Raman
That is for identifying whether any chemicals or any powder which has been obtained in that area are drugs or not.
सर, लास्ट टाइम भी यूज हुआ था ना?
Last time भी यूज किया था पूरे।
तभी कुछ ड्रग्स के केसेस मिले थे बिगर ये।
No, last time Sunburn was very smooth and without any issues.
Are you going to
Numbers of police numbers कितने हैं?
We have deployed sufficient number of people. Close to 200, more than 200 number of people will be in and around the Sunburn city.
Sir,
This is only from the local police. There will be additional deployment from traffic personnel.
अंजुना और कलांगुट मुर्जिम में भी टीम डिप्लॉयड होगी.
We will be deploying them as well.
Sir, are you going to use the drone during this sunburn?
We will be using the drone also.
सर अदर बाहर स्टेट का भी पुलिस लोगों को क्या
No. We Goa police is self-sufficient. As of now, we will be only Goa police officers will be deployed for this for the tourists.
Sir, what about border where the enters with the
The border checkposts have been strengthened. We have deployed sufficient staff. वहाँ पे they have been properly sensitized. There are CCTV cameras as well. But only thing we can do in the border is random checking, because if at all we are going to check each and every vehicle, it will create a lot of traffic jam. But we have our own intelligence networks. We have a vast network of intelligence from crime branch, local police, and anti-narcotics, which keeps a tab on all the drug peddlers and all the suspicious people. Recently, you would have seen we have caught all the people. We have caught a lot of people who are actually involved in drug peddling. So together, entire Goa police will ensure that there is no entry of drugs into Goa.
सर ऐसे कुछ ड्रग पेडलर्स टारगेट पे है क्या जिनको जो संबंध में है या यूएस में ड्रग्स सप्लाई करते हैं?
We have already taken a lot of action against the people. We are keeping a check on the people who have a history of involvement in narcotics cases. उन लोगों को हमने हमारा स्कैनर पर रडार में है वो लोग, और जो रिसेंटली जो इस फेस्टिव सीजन को टारगेट करने का है, क्राइम ब्रांच, एंटी नार्कोटिक्स और लोकल पुलिस ने काफी लोगों को गिरफ्तार भी किया.
Sir, at the railway station, if you see, there are no police only.
No, in the railway station, Kongan Railway Police रहता है, Railway Police Force रहता है. They are actually deployed in particular ships, so railways ट्रेन के अंदर भी रहते हैं, पुलिस रेलवे स्टेशन में भी.
आप बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर देखी जाए तो करमली में तो कोई भी नहीं होता है.
I will check into it and we will ensure that the police is properly deployed.
So this team is for entire tourist season and it will be active 24 hours?
Yes, we will be active 24
In
hours.
shift they will work or?
Yes, shift will be.
सर इंडियन फेस्टिवल में बहुत से मोबाइल फोन चोरी होते हैं, लास्ट टाइम भी हुआ था, तो उसके ऊपर कुछ एक्ट करेंगे सर आप इस बार?
See, we have increased our patrolling in the area. हमने काफी लोगों का भी गिरफ्तार भी किया पिछले 2 हफ्ते में. तो we have caught some people also who had come here and were planning for a tourist season. Even if last year में भी हमने लास्ट ईयर भी अगर आपने देखा होगा, we फेस्टिव सीजन के आसपास हमने 50 के आसपास क्रिमिनल्स को हमने पकड़ा था, and we recovered close to 150 mobiles. So this time also we have made special teams who are working on that. And there are other procedures also which we do. We increase our checking on the hotels. We increase our checking on the people who are coming to the area, and we keep a tab on them as well.
सर सनबर्न का ड्यूज क्लियर हुआ सर, लास्ट टाइम कुछ बाकी था पुलिस का.
As far as police is concerned, they have cleared the dues.
Any closures or diversions of
The traffic police will be issuing a separate advisory. If at all, if there is a diversion.
So from your side, when they issue for hoteliers, guest houses?
They are all supposed to make proper entries, check the ID cards properly, and if at all any suspicion, if they find that any person who is going to stay in that hotel areas are found to be suspicious, they are requested to immediately call the control room or the local police. It is very ensure that they keep vigil. Because it is only because of their support last year we could track so many people. So we expect same amount of cooperation this year as well.
सर हैदराबाद पुलिस ने एक कंप्लेंट रजिस्टर्ड किया है रिगार्डिंग सनबर्न selling the ticket of 31st December. So will the Goa police also will do the same?
There was a complaint which was received in Hyderabad police. That was registered. That complaint was received in 21st. 21st May, one person gave a complaint to the Hyderabad police, saying that there was 31st को sunburn है करके. उसके basis में they have registered a case under section 425(1) attempt for cheating. तो उसमें investigation अभी that is what Hyderabad police has conveyed. So there was a complaint specifically on which cognizable offences made out. That is why then FIR was registered. As of now, as far as sunburn in Goa is concerned, we haven't received any complaint. We are checking also. whether there have been any violations. If at all any violations there, we will take action.
FIR हैदराबाद पुलिस से या गोवा पुलिस से अभी रजिस्टर
It was registered in Hyderabad. I am not sure exactly. Hyderabad या Cyberabad में कहीं FIR registered है.
सर टाउट्स के ऊपर कार्रवाई चल रही है पिछले कुछ दिनों में डांस बार जो है जहाँ पे टूरिस्ट को ज़्यादातर जो फाइनेंशियल इसमें लूटा जाता है वहाँ पे कार्रवाई की गई।
Yes, we have taken action against two hotels. Two hotels के खिलाफ हमें कंप्लेंट मिला था. कंप्लेंट मिलने पर इमीडिएटली हमने FIR रजिस्टर किया. जिन लोगों ने प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट किया उनको हमने अरेस्ट भी किया. In fact, we have taken compared to last year more action against touts. Close to 600 touts के खिलाफ हमने एक्शन लिया और उनके खिलाफ हमने टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट को भेजा है. Other than that, टूरिस्ट पुलिस एक स्पेशल यूनिट हमारा है टूरिस्ट के सपोर्ट के लिए. They have been also given this exclusive duty to keep a check on the touts. They have been strengthened. टूरिस्ट पुलिस को स्ट्रेंथ है उनको बढ़ाया गया. More police officers have been posted in tourist police and additional police force have been given to them to keep a check on the touts. We are also requesting the people, tourists, if at all they are facing any problem on the touts, they are requested to call 112 or nearest police station so that immediately we can assist them and immediately we can take action against people involved in touting.
सर अगर सनबर्न के वेन्यू के अंदर अगर नारकोटिक्स पकड़े गए तो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल होंगे.
We will do whatever necessary action as per law is concerned. We will take necessary action against whoever is part of the nexus if at all anything is found in that.
क्योंकि उधर चेकिंग भी क्यों उनका रहता ही है ना.
Legally जो भी करना है we will do it.
So उनको separate training दिया आपने regarding like risking or
They have private security agencies अभी वहाँ पे hired deployed है. That is what the organizers have conveyed to us. Our local police officers, senior officers, SDPO and PI will be briefing the security officers as well. They will be given a special sensitization training as well before they are deployed on the duty as well. Other than that, there will be police officers also to assist.
So गोवा पुलिस से वेन्यू का बाहर ही रहेगा.
Sorry.
सनबर्न का
When
venue का बाहर
गोवा
रहेगा.
पुलिस का jurisdiction all over गोवा में है, so we will be in and around Goa wherever it is required.
So, coming back to noise.
So in and around the venue, I mean, wherever it is required.
Inside नहीं रहेगा ना सर गोवा पुलिस.
One person at a time.
Then you want to finish.
Yeah.
तो अंदर रहेगा क्या पूछ रहा हूँ.
We will be there in and around. अंदर भी रहेगा, हम बाहर भी रहेंगे.
Coming back to noise pollution, you are taking what action you have to take or measures to control it.
Yes.
But if you know, there are several venues, open air venues. They have advertised that they are going to play music till 6:30. Now the offence has not been committed. So how do you control that?
If at all you are getting any of the details, you are requested to send it to me. We will take action against it.
So you have got any communication from Goa State Pollution Control Board regarding this?
As of now, we haven't received. I haven't received. In my notice, nothing has been received. We haven't received any communication from Goa State Police.
But, and the Anjuna police station and the police station which are sensitive for this noise pollution, they have machines it seems to monitor.
I think it's a separate department. You can ask that department regarding.
So गोवा पुलिस कितना चैलेंजिंग लग रहा है ये सिस्टम.
We are fully trained. We are actually trained police force. It has been part of our duty. We take it as a pride to serve Goa as well as to ensure the safety and security of tourists. And in fact, we are very happy and proud to be part of this economic and prosperous system as well. Got it?
Sir, what TNT's baby girl was found abandoned.
Yep.
Is there any development in
We have registered an FIR. Miramar में we found a newborn baby. So we have registered an FIR. We have tracked the person also. So legally जो action लेना, we will take action against that person.
male, female.
Female.
गोवा का है क्या बात का.
Govan.
नाम भी बता.
I can't give you the more details. It's a case under investigation.
But already detained, sir.
We are actually interrogating whether whatever legal action is to be taken, we will take.